Google Pixel 4a is a premium quality smartphone with an impressive display panel, flawless design and IP rating. It also comes with strong spec sheets to meet the requirements of high-end users. The battery keeps the device running for a long time along with fast charging and wireless charging feature. Along with the latest technology, it also has a fingerprint sensor for security purpose. The smartphone is available in two color options, black and white. Overall, it does not have any major drawback except the non-expandable memory. Trendy performer from Google Display and Camera. Google Pixel 4a comes with a 5.7-inch OLED display with a screen resolution of 1080 by 2160 pixels. The aspect ratio is 18:9, which gives it a trendy look. Along with these, it is provided with a pixel density of 424 ppi, which adds sharpness to the content streaming. There is a Corning Gorilla Glass V5 layer to protect the waterproof and dustproof screen from scratches and marks. For the optics, it depends on a dual primary lens setup, which consists of a 12.2 MP lens along with an 8 MP lens. The setup allows users to click amazing pictures with precise details. At the front, it has an 8 MP front camera to click good selfies and assist video calls. Configuration and battery. Google Pixel 4a is based on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 chipset for performance. It is provided with an octa-core Kryo 470 processor, dual-core, 2.2 GHz plus hexa-core, 1.8 GHz. For graphics, it depends on an Adreno 618 GPU, which works combinedly with a 6 GB RAM to support multitasking and gaming. The device gets its charge from a Li-ion cell that comes with 3300 mAh capacity. For convenience, Google Pixel 4a comes with the latest technology like fast charging and wireless charging. Storage and connectivity. To store a wide range of data and files of its users, Google Pixel 4a houses an internal storage of 64 GB, but it does not have expandable storage capacity. In terms of connectivity, it offers a wide range of features including 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile hotspot, a GPS, GLONASS and many more. The device also supports eSIM, which is considered as one of the modern-day features. Google Pixel 4a price in India. Google Pixel 4a price in India is expected to be Rs. 39,999. Google Pixel 4a expected to be launched on March 3, 2020. This is 6 GB RAM, 64 GB internal storage base variant of Google Pixel 4a, which is expected to available in black, white color. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.